Your bones rebuild constantly, but osteoblasts slow down after 40. These specific foods stimulate your vital bone-building cells. Watch your bone mineral density increase as we dive into the science of skeletal renewal right now with these simple steps. Think of your skeleton as a living, breathing construction site that never sleeps. Right now, inside your body, a specialized team of cells called osteoblasts is hard at work. These are your body's master builders, responsible for every inch of your skeleton. They lay down new layers of fresh bone matrix, ensuring your frame remains strong and resilient. However, as we age, especially past the age of 40, these builders start to take longer breaks. The balance shifts. Your bone-destroying cells, known as osteoclasts, begin to outpace the builders. This leads to thinning bones and a higher risk of fractures. But here is the good news. You can actually wake these osteoblasts up through targeted nutrition and smart lifestyle choices. First, let's talk about the raw materials. Calcium is the bricks, but you need more than just bricks to build a sturdy house. You need vitamin K2. Think of K2 as the traffic controller. It ensures that calcium actually ends up in your bones instead of clogging your arteries. Foods like natto, hard cheeses, and grass-fed butter are rich in this essential nutrient. Then there is vitamin D3. Without D3, your body cannot even absorb the calcium you eat. It is the key that unlocks the door to bone health. Trace minerals also play a massive role in this biological process. Magnesium is absolutely crucial for converting vitamin D into its active form. Without enough magnesium, your osteoblasts cannot do their job efficiently. Silicon and boron are also unsung heroes that strengthen the bone matrix. You can find these in leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Protein is another critical component of the bone-building puzzle. Your bones are about 50% protein by volume. Collagen provides the flexible framework that minerals latch onto. Consuming high-quality protein sources like lean meats, eggs, and legumes gives your osteoblasts the amino acids they need to weave that foundational net. Finally, do not forget weight-bearing exercise. When you lift weights or walk, you send mechanical signals to your osteoblasts. These signals tell them that the bone needs to be stronger to handle the load. Take control of your skeletal health today by feeding your internal builders exactly what they need. Consistent nutrition and movement create a lasting foundation for a vibrant life. Start incorporating these bone-building habits now to ensure your frame stays strong, flexible, and resilient for many decades to come. Your future self will really thank you for the incredible strength you build today.